Our feet carry the weight of our entire body every day, yet they are often the most neglected part of our self-care routine. In today's video, we'll explore foot massage and simple exercises that can offer a holistic approach to foot care. Whether you're on your feet all day or just want to improve circulation, this guide is for you. Foot care isn't just about aesthetics, it's about health and wellness. From maintaining good circulation to alleviating stress and improving balance, taking care of your feet has multiple benefits. Over time, ignoring your feet can lead to discomfort, poor posture, and even long-term health issues. Foot massages are more than just a way to relax. They can help relieve pain, reduce tension, and improve blood flow. Regular foot massages also promote better sleep, boost energy, and can even alleviate anxiety. Here are some key benefits. 1. Improved circulation. Foot massages increase blood flow, helping to distribute nutrients and oxygen more effectively throughout the body. 2. Stress relief. Gently pressing on pressure points helps calm the nervous system and reduces stress. 3. Pain relief. Massaging areas like the arches, heels, and toes can ease tension and reduce discomfort. Now let's walk through a simple foot massage routine you can do at home. Step 1. Start by rubbing a small amount of oil or lotion between your palms to warm it up. Step 2. Begin at the top of your foot, using your thumbs to apply light pressure in circular motions. Step 3. Gently massage the arch of your foot, using your knuckles to press deeper into the muscles. Step 4. Stretch each toe individually, pulling gently to release tension. Step 5. Finish by massaging your heel with firm circular motions to reduce tightness. Massage is only part of the holistic approach to foot care. Strengthening and stretching exercises help maintain flexibility and prevent injuries. These exercises can be done in just a few minutes a day. Here are some simple exercises. 1. Toe stretching. Sit down and stretch your toes by spreading them apart. Hold for a few seconds, then relax. 2. Heel raises. Stand up and slowly lift your heels off the ground, balancing on the balls of your feet. Hold, then lower back down. This strengthens the calves and improves balance. 3. Foot rolling. Use a tennis ball or a massage roller. Place it under your foot and roll it back and forth to relieve tension and improve circulation. A holistic approach to foot care combines massage, exercise, and mindful attention to your feet. Adding foot care to your self-care routine can have long-lasting effects on your overall well-being. Consider setting aside just 10 to 15 minutes a day for foot care. Your feet will thank you for it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more wellness tips. Let us know in the comments how you take care of your feet.